Imagine a dish so delicious it's as if the gods themselves cooked it. We're talking about okonomiyaki, one of Japan's most beloved dishes. Picture an exquisite savory pancake, sizzling on a hot griddle, filled to the brim with a variety of delightful ingredients. Its name literally means grill as you like, reflecting the freedom to customize this dish to your heart's content. Born in the vibrant city of Osaka, okonomiyaki is a gastronomic wonder that brings together simple ingredients in a symphony of textures and flavors. Flour, eggs, cabbage, and a choice of protein are the building blocks of this masterpiece. Top it off with a liberal drizzle of tangy sauce, mayonnaise, and a sprinkle of seaweed flakes, and you've got a dish that's a feast for the senses. But beware, fellow food enthusiasts. The art of making okonomiyaki is not for the faint-hearted. The all-important flip, has been the downfall of many a first-time okonomiyaki maker. Who knew flipping a pancake could turn into an Olympic sport? Ever walked through a painting? Well, get ready. As we set off on our journey through Japan, we find ourselves surrounded by landscapes that seem to have leapt straight out of an artist's dream. Bathed in the soft glow of the rising sun, parks brimming with cherry blossom trees paint the world in hues of pink and white. Each delicate petal, a testament to the fleeting beauty of life, dances in the gentle breeze, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. But it's not just the cherry blossoms that command our attention. Japan is a land of contrasts, where the tranquility of Zen gardens coexists with the vibrancy of bustling street markets. As we tread on pebbled paths, we're greeted by the soothing sound of water trickling down bamboo shoots and the sight of meticulously raked sand patterns, inviting us into a world of serene contemplation. And while we're on the topic of enchanting landscapes, let's not forget the wildlife. Japan's fauna is as diverse and fascinating as its flora. From the red-crowned cranes of Hokkaido dancing in the snow to the mischievous macaques enjoying a dip in hot springs, there's never a dull moment. And speaking of animal encounters, here's a fun fact for you. In Nara Park, the local deer have learned to bow to visitors, mimicking a quintessential Japanese greeting. Adorable, right? Well, hold on to your crackers because they're not just being polite. As we traverse these enchanted landscapes, we find that each corner of Japan tells a unique story. We see the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, the respect for nature and wildlife, and the incredible attention to detail that is so quintessentially Japanese. And so we continue our walk, stepping lightly on moss-covered paths, breathing in the fresh scent of pine, and losing ourselves in the ethereal beauty that is Japan. Every step we take, every sight we behold, every sound we hear, everything is a piece of the grand tapestry that makes up this beautiful country. Remember, if a deer bows at you in Nara Park, it's not being polite, it wants your snacks. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're diving headfirst into the sensory overload that is a Japanese street market. Picture this: a bustling labyrinth of vibrant stalls, each one brimming with life and color. The air is thick with a whirlwind of aromas that tangle together in a symphony of scents. The sizzle of grilling yakitori, the sweet fragrance of fresh mochi, the piquant tang of pickled vegetables. All these and more dance together in a tantalizing tango that beckons you deeper into the market's heart. Each stall is a world unto itself, a cornucopia of culinary delights that promise an adventure for your taste buds. From the savory umami of okonomiyaki pancakes to the delicate sweetness of taiyaki fish-shaped cakes, the variety is as astounding as it is appetizing. But the feast isn't just for your stomach, it's for your ears too. The market thrums with an energetic symphony of sounds. The rhythmic chopping of knives, the cheerful banter between vendors, the excited chatter of fellow food explorers. It's a symphony that sings a song of life and laughter, of community and camaraderie. And let's not forget about the vendors. Oh, the vendors. They're as much a part of the experience as the food itself, each one more enthusiastic than the last. Watch as they artfully prepare your meal, their movements as smooth and practiced as a well-rehearsed dance. Listen as they call out their wares, their voices ringing out above the hubbub, a siren song that draws you in. It's an experience like no other, a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors that overwhelm the senses in the best possible way. It's a place where the mundane becomes magical, where every corner holds a new discovery, a new story to tell. And there you have it. A place where your sense of direction gets lost, but your taste buds find heaven. Ever wondered where the fox spirits hang out? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to the Fushimi Inari Shrine, nestled in the vibrant city of Kyoto. This isn't your run-of-the-mill shrine. Oh no, it's a place where spirituality and nature dance a mesmerizing waltz, where fox spirits known as Inari are believed to reside. Now imagine walking through a mesmerizing tunnel of vermilion torii gates, each standing tall and proud like a sentinel guiding your way. These gates are more than just an Instagram-worthy backdrop. They are a symbol of transition, guiding visitors from the mundane to the sacred. You see, in the Shinto belief, these gates mark the boundary between our world and the world of the divine. Now here's a funny tale for you. During my first visit, I thought the shrine's customs were a bit like a scavenger hunt. I saw people writing down their wishes on small wooden plaques, and I thought, oh, it's like a Japanese version of a wishing well. So there I was, scribbling down my wish for a lifetime supply of sushi. But then, a kindly old man explained that these plaques, called ima, are actually for serious wishes and prayers. So I quickly swapped my sushi dream for world peace. A worthy upgrade, don't you think? But the shrine isn't just about rituals and spirituality, it's also a place to enjoy nature. As you make your way up the mountain, you'll be greeted by the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a real-life fox. But don't be fooled by their fluffy tails and adorable faces. Remember, they are considered divine messengers, not pets. So remember, if you see a fox at Fushimi Inari, it's not a pet, it's a divine messenger. No belly rubs, please. Scene script: Japan, where the vending machines have more variety than a supermarket. In this land of the rising sun, you'll find a vending machine at every corner, whether it's in the bustling heart of Tokyo or at the top of Mount Fuji. And they sell more than just drinks and snacks. From fresh eggs to umbrellas, from neckties to hot meals, you'll find it all. It's a convenience that's uniquely Japanese. And speaking of the unique, we must mention the quirky inventions that Japan is known for. Have you ever heard of the chindogu? It's a term for inventions that solve a particular problem, but in such an inconvenient way that they are effectively useless. Examples include a full-body umbrella suit for those who despise getting wet, or a 360-degree panoramic camera hat for those who can't stand missing a moment. Now let's talk about some interesting traditions. Did you know that in Japan, instead of saying cheese while taking a photo, they say eggplant? Yep, you heard right. The word is nasu, and it's believed to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. Let's not forget about the unusual etiquette norms. In Japan, it's considered rude to blow your nose in public, but slurping noodles loudly is a sign of appreciation and enjoyment of the meal. And remember, never stick your chopsticks upright in your rice bowl, as it's a gesture used at funerals. Also, you might be surprised to learn that Japan has an island full of rabbits, known as Okunoshima, and another one with a village of foxes called Zhao Fox Village. Just when you think you've seen it all, Japan surprises you with its weird and wonderful charm. Oh, and before we forget, let's talk about those artistic manhole covers. Yes, you heard right, manhole covers. Each city in Japan has uniquely designed manhole covers that reflect the culture, history, or speciality of the area. It's a sight to behold and a testament to Japan's attention to detail. And that's Japan for you, a place where even the manhole covers can be a work of art. Well, that's the end of our journey, folks, but wait, don't go just yet. You wouldn't want to leave without your souvenir, would you? And guess what? It's absolutely free. All you have to do is hit that like button. It's like a tiny applause for our whimsical journey through Japan. It's like saying, hey, I enjoyed that sushi roll of a ride. But wait, there's more. You can also subscribe to our channel. It's like signing up for a lifetime supply of travel treats. You wouldn't want to miss our next adventure, would you? So hit that subscribe button. It's as easy as slurping up a bowl of ramen. And don't forget, ring that notification bell. It's like your personal concierge, ensuring you never miss a beat of our enchanting escapades. So until next time, keep your sushi roll tight and your travel spirit high.